Newsmaker in between runners, running on the outside and moving up is entry number 8. That's the top favorite is Spanish Drums. Tempest takes the lead over Sawakas in second. Moving up on the outside is Spanish Drums. Newsmaker down in fourth, followed by Gold Money, Charlie's World, Kaibigan, and Pass Forward is bringing up the rear. Past the last 450, Tempest in command, followed now by Spanish Drums. Sawakas is running in third. Moving up on the outside, Newsmaker, Gold Money, and Kaibigan. With the last 200 meters more to run, Tempest leading the field by about a length. Moving up now on the outside is Spanish Drums to grab the lead. Now we have Spanish Drums over Tempest in second, down in third, Sawakas, Gold Money, and finally Spanish Drums. Tempest close between Gold Money and Sawakas and Kaibigan for your Pentapecta.
Medyo tama nga yung